Hello students, so today we will learn how to multiply with the help of Vedic mathematics. Okay, it is a lesson number 2 in the series of Vedic mathematics. Do watch full series. Here is a basic comparison between traditional and Vedic mathematics method. In traditional method, you will do the multiplication like that. We can put here cross or 0, whatever you want. But in Vedic mathematics, all this can be completed in single line. Okay, so let's see how. Here I'm writing steps. It is a very step by step process. So I'm writing steps here. Okay, what first step we'll do is we will do 2 into 8, 2 into 8, which is 16. Now we write 6 here and 1 in carry. Now step 2, multiply this to this and this to this and then sum. Okay, that means 2 into 3 plus 2 into 8 plus 1 carry, which is equals to, you can do this all in your mind. 2 3 is 6, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 6 22 plus 1 carry is equals to 23. Write 3 here. Now 2 is in a carry table. Okay, now multiply 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6 plus 2, which is carry, so 8. Write 8 here and you will see the result. So 836 is our answer. So that's how easy it is. It is a basic step by step process. We can extend this to even 3 digits number. Pause the video right now and try to attempt this. And if you are not able to do that, come back to video and see how we have done it. Okay, let's start. Steps. Step 1, 3 into 6, which is 18. So 8 we will write here, 1 as carry. Step 2, what we will do is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 6. Okay, which is equal to 9 plus 12. It is 21 plus 1 carry. So it is 22. 22, write 2 here and 2 for carry. Now in step 3, it is called a star method actually. So write multiply 3 into 2 and 2 into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 6. Here it is 3 2 is 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 18 plus 2 carry. Okay, 2 carry we will write plus 2 is equals to 20. 20 0 we write here and 2 again carry table. Okay, let's write it like that. Two in carry table. From this 20. Now in fourth step, what we will do is 2 into 2 and 1 into 3. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3 is equals to 4 plus 3 is equals to 7 plus 2 carry. This carry we will use and it is 9. Now we will write 9 here. And in last step, what we'll do is 1 into 2. Which is 2. Now 29028 is our answer. Okay. You can apply it to any number of digits, whether it is 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit. Even to 4 digits number you can use by using this first, second, third, like that. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know. And let's talk about the variations. In this, in like this case, whether a simple multiplier is 2 digit and multiplication factor is 3 digit. In that case, what you can do is simply write this as this and use the same method we have done here. With this method, you can even find squares of the number very easily. 8 into 8, 16, 16, 1 carry, 8, 6 are 48, and 48 plus 48 is equals to 96 plus 1, 97, ka 7, 9 carry. Now 6 are 36 plus 9, 45. So 4576 is our answer. See how fast you can able to do that. Please like, share and please subscribe. Okay, thank you very much.